everyone, it's Nisha. So in today's 5-minute I am going to use Sigma On A Go palette Fiery. Gorgeous autumnal colors or could be summery colors. Here are the swatches. Really beautiful. So let's do it. On a Rifa 15 I'm going to go into Apricot and use it as my transition color in my crease. Really nicely pigmented. This color looks really light in a palette, but it has really good pigment. Now on Rifa 13 I am going to go into Paradise. Deepen up my crease. Wow. Just on the outer portion of my crease and on outer V, and with whatever is left I'm just very lightly going to drag here into my nose. On the same brush I'm going to go into Summer Song and deepen this portion of my eye with it and just put it a bit in a crease. Keep blending in between, just the edges. Now on Rifa 21 I think I'm going to go to Scorched. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Rifa 26 I'm going to go to Summer Song and apply that on my lower lash line. There is hardly, if any, fallout from this palette. And on a Rifa 12 I am going to go to Apricot and just buff it out underneath. Now on the rest of my mobile eyelid I will use the Sun Sprite, the gold one, on a Rifa 21 and overlap that Scorched. This one probably needs finger treatment. Or wet brush. Doesn't that just look like autumn leaves? Gorgeous. Now with Natasha Denona number 11 I'm going to go into Roasted and just shade the outer 7 just to make it darker. Blend in between. And I'm going to apply that Roasted as well on Rifa 03 on my lower lash line, just near my lashes. Then I'm going to take a Breezy and apply that just under my brow arch. And then I'm going to take the Sigma eyeshadow base primer because it's got a bit of shimmer, and I'm going to apply it just in my inner corner. Oh, that is gorgeous. And I can top it up with the Breezy. Now I'm going to use Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. Looks really good. It's got lovely points, so do very light thin line on the top of my lashes, and then wing it, and I'm also going to put it in my lower lash line, waterline, sorry, and connect it. Lovely pencil. It almost feels like a liquid liner, but I prefer using these because I can smudge them. And mascara. And that's the finished look. I really love it. It looks like autumn leaves, so it's really good for fall, pumpkin, but I also see it in the summer as a beautiful sunset eye look. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.